This is Dr. Amanda here with Straight Smile Solutions, and I love it when people send me unboxing because it's really fun to see what you get. So I do know that this company is an aligner company. It's based out of Canada, but they just got their 510 in the US, them and everybody else. So they sent me this information. If you want more information, you can contact this gentleman. The price point, I think, is what you're going to find interesting. So the price point, this is their price point to the doctor, okay? To the doctor. This is a doctor-facing system. So it comes in 6, 12s, and unlimiteds. That's a really great unlimited price, $11.95. I believe this is molar to molar too, so that's good to know. So I think you got a referral bonus, so you'll have to take a look at that. But I think these are all patient-facing brochures here. Yeah. Okay. ISO standards, ISO certified, not much going on here. Patient facing, brochures, that's cool. All right, let's see what they sent me. Woohoo! Okay, instructions for aligner use. This is really good. I'm glad when people send these. Oh, they say only 20 to 22 hours a day. All right. All right. It's pretty standard. Cleaning. Oh, we got all kinds of swag. We got pens. Got cases. That's nice. All right, this is a sample treatment plan. This is what you guys want to know, right? Sample treatment plan. Let's check this out. Okie dokie. Let's see. Looks pretty standard here. They should. Well, that's a heck of a lot of attachments this patient has. Poor attachment. So they basically tell you, okay, so if you want to extract teeth, you mark that. If you want force amplifiers, I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. What is a force amplifier? Okay, whatever. I'll have to look that up. There's button cutouts here. Maybe fast force amplifier is their word for attachments. That's probably it. Force amplifiers to be placed at the beginning of treatment. Force amplifiers to be placed before TXX. I don't know what that means either. So this is good. If I see this and I tell them I don't know what stuff is, they might want to redo this. Okay. If you want to add buttons, so here they're showing you that they had buttons added. Oh, so yeah, the force amplifiers are the attachments. Okay, that's easy. So this is where they wanted to add. That's a heck of a lot of buttons. That's pretty crazy. I don't think I'd like that. That's all kinds of mouse traps in your mouth. Okay, anyways. But at least you know it's possible. That's the main thing. This is where the IPR is going. So these are all kinds of IPR, where to put them. These are Canadians numbering system. That's why I'm all confused. All right, this tells you where to do it, where to stage it, the interproximal space, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Whoa, 0.65. That's an awful lot. Okay. I don't get this. Okay. Oh, this is lower. That's so confusing. All right. 0.6. Oh, that's a lot of IPR. Holy cow. All right. So anyways, that's pretty much how that works. Now to the aligners. All right. How am I going to hold this and do this at the same time? Let's see. This is going to be interesting. I'm going to have to put this down for a second. Hang in there. I'm still here. Oh, I ripped the bag. That's not good. That's not good at all. Okay. All right. Let's get out these test aligners. What do they feel like? Oh, this is pretty standard stuff. Boring, but stable. I like the trim. I'll give them that. Like, the trim is pretty cool. You don't see a lot of this kind of... This is really short scallop trim. Wow. Super thin. You don't see a lot of this. It's like kind of Invisalign-y. It's definitely not like Clear Correct trims or anything like that. It just seems awful trimmed. But yeah, it's definitely, I think this is probably Zendra. That's what it feels like, but I'm not totally sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are some sample aligners. This is the instructions. Are these 2-week wear? It says wear them, get used to them. It does not say if it's 2-week aligners, but I'm guessing it is. All right. Anyways, sorry that wasn't incredibly exciting, but good to see that there's a great price point around this new set of aligners that's entering the US. SureCure. I did send you the information of the distributor. So you can go ahead and contact him if you're interested in becoming a provider. I don't know how that works. He can tell you more. And again, here is the price point behind it if you're interested. This is doctor-facing price. Does it include, oh, look, revisions and replacements available at no cost. So unlimited 1195. That's pretty impressive. I wonder if this includes retainers. They didn't say. All right. Thanks so much. Talk to you later. If you have any questions, please visit straightsmilesolutions.com. It's late tonight.